I am so frustrated right now. And the reason why I'm frustrated is that most people right now are so bullishly blind. Everyone's analyzing the news, but not a lot of people are analyzing price. You'll see what I'm talking about coming up next. To click that like button and that subscribe button on your way into this video, and then we'll talk about why I'm so frustrated. But before that, I'd like to really thank all my new subscribers to the channel. Really appreciate you're seeing some value from the channel, and I really appreciate the fact that you hit that subscribe button. Why don't you just go ahead and continue to log in and to lock in on the videos that I'll be putting out. If you really like the content, please, I would like to hear your reaction in the comment section. Please like the videos. Please continue to share them if this is of a lot of value to you. Share it with your friends. Share it with people that you think are looking to get into the crypto market. So really appreciate that. So on today's video, I'd like to talk about what is frustrating me right now within the crypto space, specifically as it pertains to predicting price. One of my major problems that I'm noticing within this space is that a lot of influencers, a lot of people, a lot of people are becoming euphoric about what's going on with price of Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, whatever price. And it's understandable because, to be quite honest, we've been in a bear market for the last several years. Last 2 years, we've been in this crypto bear market. And so there's going to be this level of excitement now that we've broken out. Bitcoin is at equal highs. It's not a new high, equal highs, even though I'm hearing people saying that Bitcoin is at new highs. No, it's not. It's at an equal high. And XRP is out of this huge consolidation that it's been in for the last several years. And now there's been a breakout. However, there have been a lot of price predictions. I just want to show you very quickly. For instance, this is Forbes, right? Forbes is saying this could be a very big week for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple's XRP, Litecoin, and Chainlink. And this is the reason why they're believing that this week is going to be a huge week. Now, with traders gearing up for a so-called Santa rally in the last week of Christmas, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple's XRP, Litecoin, and Chainlink investors are hoping, keyword here, hoping holiday season cheer will help them finish the year on a high, right? And I believe that's where a lot of this huge bullish sentiment is coming from at this point. And yes, while it's good to read the news, while it's good to read what's going on from a fundamental perspective and within the area of finance or within the market's fundamentals means from a news perspective, right? A lot of people are hoping for some sort of rally to the upside on Bitcoin, and people really are buying at the all-time highs on Bitcoin right now after they're listening to stuff like this, right? But I would have to give this article a lot of credit, right? XRP price drops 13% since Flare Network airdrop, but the bottom may be close. And I'd really like for you guys, if you wanted to go ahead and take some time to read this article. And it says here in the article, and really this technical analysis here is really top notch. Matter of fact, similar technicals that I have as well that I'm going to go into right now, and it really gives a nice breakdown of what may be coming next for XRP. And the point of this video is pretty much what I'm trying to say is trying not to fall into the euphoric nature of analyzing news, right? Analyzing news. It's better to analyze price than to analyze the news. And here's why. Let's jump onto the charts right now. If you look at my previous video on my channel, I'll probably have the link somewhere right now in my notes. What's the next price for XRP? You can go over there and check out what I was thinking. But earlier, just maybe a week or so ago, XRP was right at that 50 cent mark. There are some some people that were predicting that the price was going to take off from 50 cents. I wasn't necessarily convinced about that, just because we have this candlestick formation here that I'd like to bring your attention to. This candlestick formation here, right? 1, 2, 3, and while candlestick formations are not your final confirmation, they give an extra confluence to give you confidence. You guys like that? So that you know where price could be going to next. And it's called an evening star. 1, 2, 3. We have this bullish momentum here, came back down, rejected from about 75 cents. We have this doji candlestick here. Now we have this bearish candlestick, and it closed at 50, right? And what's going on right now is that price is taking out that 50-cent mark, and notice it's breaking below 50 cents, right, on the daily time chart. So let's go up to the monthly. I would like to really do an in-depth technical analysis of XRP right now to kind of give you guys some idea of really gives you guys some tips about how to read price, right? So if you're new to the cryptocurrency world or cryptocurrency market, I would say to your best bet, one of the major tools that you're going to need to give you the confidence to know when to buy into a currency is to always analyze the price action. Always analyze the price action. The first principle I'm going to teach you right now is called top-down analysis. We're going to go up to the monthly, and as you can see here, we have this huge bullish candle that's coming out of this massive consolidation here that we've been in for quite some time. Right, this massive consolidation. Consolidation means that the market has been going sideways, right? There's been bouncing up and down particular levels, right? And so we broke out of the consolidation on the 1st of November, right? So there is a lot of bullish momentum right now going on. However, it's something we need to understand, that the market is not going to keep going up 100% of the time. There are going to be things called retracements or pullbacks that will need to occur, right? So when XRP was at 70 cents, a lot of people were so euphoric about XRP. Now XRP is going to go to $1, it's going to go to $1.50, it's going to go to $2 by the end of December. And I'm saying this over and over again. Whenever you're hearing people giving price predictions and then attaching dates to it, be very wary, because it is very difficult to time the markets, right? We had this huge rejection or wick, and anytime you see a wick like this, it means that there's some bearish momentum in all that bullishness, right? So we got this massive push to the upside, and what's happening is whenever the market gets some sort of huge momentum like this, it usually doesn't last very long. And a lot of people are remembering 2017, right? When Bitcoin just kept going and going and going, and XRP just kept going and going and going, right? Let's remember that just because it happened in 2017 that way, that doesn't mean it's going to happen like that again, right? So now we broke below 50 cents, and now I'm convinced that the next level we need to be careful to watch is this level right here of about 40 cents. And the next level, about 47 cents. Why? Here's the detail. Look where these candlesticks closed. These candlesticks closed at about 47 cents. This is the level of detail that needs to be taken into consideration, right? It closed at 40, these candlesticks closed at 47 cents, then they dropped. Right now, price is resting exactly at that level. What I need to see from this candlestick on the weekly level, we have 5 days, 8 hours left for this particular candlestick to close, right? So right now, one thing we do know, it has closed below 50 cents. The next thing I'd like to see is a close below 47 cents. If the candlestick comes down below 47 and closes below 47, I am fairly confident that we're going to see 30 cents as the next landing spot for XRP. And this is where I'm planning to load up my buys into XRP. Worst case scenario is that we head into about 19 to maybe 16 cents. Worst case scenario. But for right now, I'm looking at 30 cents to really buy in. Why am I looking at 30 cents? There's several reasons. Right now, the market broke structure at 30 cents. We have these lower highs, lower high, lower high, lower high. We had this double top here. It rejected off of that. We broke out of this most recent lower high. Whenever the market takes out a particular lower high region, it's called a break of structure. And oftentimes what the market likes to do, it likes to come back and retest broken structure or retest the price level of broken structure before it continues. And I believe that's what we're poised to happen. Second reason why I think 30 cents could be a particular good region for us is mainly because there's something called the Elliott wave theory within the market, right? We have the low of the market here, right? Then next we have a second wave here, right? Then we had a third wave here. And notice on the third wave, the market likes to move in threes. Notice a 1, 2, 3 on the third wave, it exploded, right? But what we need to understand here that sometimes the market likes to come in fours as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for the next third wave scenario, 1, 2, and the next third wave scenario could be around 30 cents for the next explosion to the upside, right? So that is entirely possible. Now, if we break my trend line, so I'm looking at both sides of the market. If I break this particular trend line that we're making these series of higher lows, if we break that trend line, then I'm looking that we could be going into 16 cents, bottoming out once again. And guess what, guys? If we see price get to 30 cents or 16 cents, I believe it's a great buying opportunity because you're going to be able to accumulate more coins at 30 cents or 16 cents than you're going to be able to accumulate at 50 cents. Again, this is my opinion. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. Don't take my word for it. And so I just wanted to give just a little bit of value for this. If you found value in what I've just outlined for you, why don't you smash that like button? Why don't you subscribe for more detailed breakdown of what's going on in the cryptocurrency markets? So thank you guys so much for watching. See you all on the next video.